Good morning, dear students. Today I am telling you types of the tags on the base of the character. Character tags can be divided into the two categories, logical and the physical. Firstly, physical tags. The physical tags are applied to the particular text which we have done. For example, subtag, subtag, I tag, bold tag, etc. On the other hand, logical tags are also applied to a text, but it's having some particular meanings. For example, you are looking one program is here. In this tag, firstly after the body p paragraph, I am showing you the web page. In the paragraph it is written logical tags. You can see here logical tags. After that, em tag. This tag italics the text, but it's having a meaning with it, that is the emphasis. Em means emphasis. The same, this one program is given on the page number 84. You can have a look there. And next one is code. If you want to print your code, program code, then code can be applied, code tag can be applied. And the next one is CIT, site. It's the cations, indicates the reference of the work. This tag display the text in the italics. I am showing you the web page. The first one is em emphasis. It's used for the italic, and for code it's printing the code. Text will be printed in the code form, you can see here. Third one is site, for the cation. It's prints in the italic, you can see. Next one is insert, ins. It's for insert, inserting the text in between the other text, and this will be displayed as a underlined text. KBD identifies the text that displays the input user using the keyboard it. And sample, SAMP, this represents the sample output from the computer program. And abbreviation, ABBR. For example, you want to display the abbreviation of the CBSE, then you can use ABBR tag with its one attribute, that is the title attribute. DEF for printing the definition, and VAR for variable. Variables are presently not in your syllabus, but if you want to text as a variable, then var tag can be used. Showing you the program. It's the web page of that program. Except these 2-3 tags are also given on the page number 74. These programs don't have these tags don't have their programs with it. You just have to know that what is the definition of these tags. The first one is the doc type. The doc type tag is used to define the version of the HTML. It can be the first line of the HTML document or HTML program. And one attribute of the HTML tag, that is the lang, lang. Lang is the attribute of the HTML tag, and this tag is used to define the language of the code. For example, you can define en for English language, and fr for French. And one more tag is given on the page number 74, meta. Meta tag is used to provide the additional information about the program. For example, for you want to describe the document author, in that case the meta tag can be used. These three tags don't have their programs. You just have to learn the definition, or it should be under your knowledge that what are the uses of these three tags. For more detail you can read the page number 74. Thank you.